In our last tutorial on how to make this beautiful handkerchief flare skirt, I got questions like this, and even this, and a lot more. So in today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through how to calculate your measurement and also the number of yards needed to make this particular skirt for your baby girl. First, the measurement we need is our skirt length. The first measurement you need is your skirt length. Measure your skirt length from the waist to the exact or desired measurement you want for your skirt. Then you want to also take your waist circumference, that is your round waist circumference. Okay, measure the waist round circumference of the baby girl, and after you're done with that, you also want to measure the hip circumference. So these are the three measurements that you need for this particular skirt. All right, assuming this is our fabric, all right, you know we have the length and the breadth of the fabric. So for this, I'm just going to use this particular one. Normally when we fold our fabric for a 360-degree flare skirt, just like this handkerchief, you fold it into 4. All right, but because this is a short pattern paper, so I won't be folding it into 4, but just let us assume that this is folded into 4. All right, you have 4 squares. Now the first thing you want to do is to take your hip circumference measurement. Let's assume that this is about 20 inches. I'm using a measurement of 20 inches for the hip circumference. So for this hip circumference, take your measurement and divide it by 6.28. You want to divide it by 6.28, and whatever you get is your waist radius. That is your waist radius. So I'm going to just calculate it, and here I have 3.18. all right, so I'm just going to approximate it to 3.2. now this is my waist radius. I'm going to take my fabric now, my assumed fabric, and measure 3.2 on it. And because I could not get accurate measurement for 3.2, I'm just going to use 3.25. all right, so you just want to take it the way I am taking it now. Go ahead and measure the exact measurement you get all the way around to give you this radius. Okay, now the next measurement you need to take is the skirt length. Let's assume that I'm using a skirt length of 11 inches. That is the skirt length I want to use. This 11 inches is not up to the full length, like it's not up to the ankle. All right, this is not up to the ankle, but if you are using a measurement that is up to the ankle, there is a way we go about it. Now I'm going to remove 1 inch from it for the band. So I'm going to measure 10 inches just at this point that I'm measuring, but because this pattern paper cannot carry 10 inches, that's why I measured 7 inches. So I went ahead to measure what I have on that part and also take that same measurement on this other part as well. Then you want to go ahead and connect it together just to give you a square. This can even give you a rectangle depending on the length of the fabric, of the skirt rather, depending on the length of the skirt. Okay, so I have 7 inches from the radius at that point and also 7 inches at that point. Now if you look at it from that point, you will see I have about 11 inches. That is 4 inches extra. So that 4 inches extra is going to draw down. That is what will give us the handkerchief flare effect. Now, you know, I said if you are taking your measurement, if you are using a full length measurement like the ankle measurement, let's say you take your measurement to the ankle, which is about like 20 inches, remove that 4 inches or about 5 inches from it, and that is the measurement you are going to use for your skirt length. I hope you understand now. So if the full length is 28 inches to the ankle, I measured to the ankle and I got 28 inches, I'm going to remove about 4 or 5 inches from it, and that remaining measurement is what I'm going to take on my exact fabric. I hope you understand what I have just said right now. Okay, now once we are done with the skirt length and also the waist radius, the next thing we are going to do is just to calculate our band. And for our band, what we need is our hip circumference. You know, here we are using 20 inches, so we just need to cut out a strap of fabric that is 20 inches long. You need to add 1 inch to it for joining, so that is 21 inches. Okay, and it's going to be 1.5 inches wide. That's just 3 inches wide rather, so that when you fold it you have 1.5 inches. Or better still, you can decide to measure round your waist radius like that and multiply it by 4. Whatever you get is going to be the length of your band. All right, and now for the elastic that is going to be in that band, let's say your waist circumference normally is 15 inches. Remove about 3 from it, which is 12 inches, and that's going to be the length of your elastic. I hope that is clear enough. So now I think I've answered all the questions on the measurement, how to measure the length needed and all of that. Now to the next one, which is the number of yards needed for your skirt. Now the first thing you need to take note of is all those measurements we used earlier on. For our waist radius, here we use about 3.25. It was 3.2, but I approximated it to 3.25. Now the length of the skirt is 10 inches minus the band, right? And do not forget that we are still going to fold it at the hem and also join our band to it. So with that, I'm adding 1.5 to it. 1 inch for folding and 0.5 inch for joining it to our band, which is 11.5. So I'm going to add this 3.2 to it. That is 14.5. all right, on just one of the square. Now you know that our fabric is folded into 2. Now here we are going to multiply it by 2. That is 29.4, which is close like 30 inches, which is less than a yard. So for a child that is within this range, 3 months to about a year old, or even a year and a half actually, that is going to use this measurement, maybe like the skirt length of 13 inches, 12 inches, 14 inches, I feel like 1 yard should still be enough. All right, but if you are within the age of 3 and above, and probably the length of the skirt is longer than this one, so you might be needing about a 1.5 yard, all right, or 2 yards. And if it is longer than that, maybe like 30 inches, 35 inches and above, you might be needing about 3 yards or 3.5 yards. So that is all for the number of yards that will be needed for this skirt. Thank you for watching up until this moment, and I will see you in my next tutorial. Bye.